Okay, today we did lesson 3, session 1. So this lesson is all about solving one-step word problems. So basically, we've kind of been doing a lot of word problems anyways. So this isn't going to be a huge thing for them because we've already done a lot of word problems. When we do the word problems, they will have to put in action their addition strategies and their subtraction strategies that we have learned thus far. That's why it's important to keep these family letters, because they do go over the strategies for what we're learning in that week. So this week it's word problems. They're going to show you different strategies. The one is do a number bond, where the bigger number goes right here and you have a 5 and then the other number. Then there is a bar model. So we'll be using both of those. And each of those models will help you to go ahead and do their fact families, which are important. When we do solving word problems, I like to read the problem with them a couple times, and then we draw a line equals line. Then we read the story again, and we fill this equation out as we read. Seth has 9 grapes. Well, so we're going to put a 9 here. His dad gives him more grapes. So would that be addition or subtraction? We'd say addition. More grapes, do we know how many grapes? No. Okay, now what's next in our story? Now he has 15 grapes. So there is your equation. But before doing that, I should have done this. I am so sorry. I put the number 15 in here because he has a total of 15 grapes. And here's my number bond. I'm going to put a 9 here. And then I'm going to put a question mark in this one because I don't know. Now, review with them that anytime we have an addition problem, I can also change it to a subtraction problem. So if you start at 15 and go around, pick up all the numbers as you go, and if I'm going down, I'm subtracting. So I could say 15 minus 9 equals question mark. I could also go down this way, picking up all the numbers as I go, and I could do 15 minus question mark equals 9. There's my 2 subtraction fact families. Okay, now to add, I go a different direction. So if I add, I'm going to go up. So I'm going to go question mark plus 9 equals 15. So if I go up, I'm adding. So I do question mark. Oh, I'm so sorry. You can't really see that. Question mark plus 9 equals 15. Now, if I go up the other direction, starting at the 9 and I go up, okay, I'm going to go 9 plus question mark equals 15. We talked about this today, that if it's a subtraction problem, the bigger number goes first always, and then you just flop the other 2 numbers. And on an addition problem, the bigger number always goes after the equal sign, and the other 2 numbers just flop like that. So that's tonight, using the bond model or the bar model, okay? Make sure you draw out the lines, read the story first. Okay, what happened first? What happened next? What happened last? So again, when you read this one, Fola has 8 berries. His stepmom gives him more berries. Now Fola has 13 berries. How many berries did Fola's stepmom give her? Fill out the bond box. How many does she have? 13. How many did she have at the beginning? 8. Do we know how many she gave her? No. We're going to put that. So then you can go like this. They can either read the story again and go, okay, she has 8. Then she gives her addition, more. I don't know how many more. And now she has 13. You can do that. Or go this way and say, okay, look, you can do 8 plus question mark equals 13. I could also do question mark plus 8 equals 13. Or I can go down, so I can do 13 minus 8 equals question mark, or 13 minus question mark equals 8. And this is important because some kiddos like to use an subtraction strategy. That makes more sense to them. Some of them like to do an addition strategy. That makes more sense to them. So if you're doing, just to review, if you are doing a addition strategy, the addition strategies that they have learned are count on, make 10, and doubles plus 1. Okay, and subtraction, when we did subtraction last week, the strategies were count on, starting at the smaller number, going up to the bigger number. Also make 10. And they could do number lines. Number lines make sure they get to the 10. Say if you have 14, you got to get to 10 first. Make 10. And then how many more jumps do you have to do after that? So those are the different strategies that they can use when doing these word problems. So please make sure when you're doing the homework, please make sure that you are practicing these strategies. It will help them be more successful on the test at the end of the week. Thank you.